Hello everyone, this is Wick, and today I'm going to show you how to do the same color grading and show you before and after. So I'm going to show you the method and the process works so perfectly, and I'm using this plugin called Cinema Grade, and it's going to help you. So I'm going to drop the link into my description, and for you to just go to the sites and try the 7 days trial and check how it just work. So let's dive in. So this is my cinema grade. Okay, so this is my cinema grade. Okay, and the easy part is that they have these tools you can use, and it's very easy. Want to click here, drag it like this. Okay, you can change the hue or just maintain it, the color to be like that. And the next one, saturation adjustments, want to hold it and drag it like this. This is what you're gonna get. Okay, and here you're gonna turn the color temperature to make it like this, the one you just prefer it to be. So okay, and here it's going to drag it like this to check and make the color correction and the grading look so nice. So I'm going to make it cool with this, and I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to bring this one down. That's not all. Here is the things you're going to use to just cover all the stuffs. So you can just come to the right or change the hue. Okay, so I'm going to increase this. Okay, increase this one and try to move this one to this side. Okay, comes to green. When you increase it, just check here, around here. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Move to this one, the blue color. Okay, so make sure you will turn the hue to be around 44 here, and increase the saturation to make it 0, make it 80. Okay, and let's move to different. Okay, so when you're done with it, make sure you just increase the saturation here. Okay, and let's check it before and after. Okay, so here's the tools we're going to use to cover it too. So I'm gonna make this one cool like this. The shadow, it's going to be negative 18. The contrast, you need to be careful with this one. Okay, to take it and make it normal like this, and try the pivots, and let's see the pivots to be around here, and before and after. So that's it. It's so cool. It's so cool. So you can just try and see how it works. I don't really play with these stuffs. Okay, so you can follow the steps and do the same thing. Okay, the shadow, and it helps a lot. And let's just try to increase the shadow. Okay, to make it like this. Okay, so when you're done with it, just close it. Always if you want to fix it, try and open here. So I'm gonna turn the temperature into the up like this, not much. Let's check it before and after. That's it. So this is the raw footage, and here is the final result. So okay, great. Or you can just choose any reference what it just and look for those, and it's going to give you more color looks, and hair looks is going to support and help you to do more and achieve any color you just want it to be. So guys, I'm Wick. Get to my page and subscribe, and I'm going to draw more videos for you to just learn and make sure you just follow the steps well. So guys, see you.